start your day a little bit better.
Start your day with grape nuts from Post. Start your day with a light kind of breakfast.
Better start out with the most. Help keep in shape with grape nuts, fresh from Post.
Fills you up, but not out.
Paul,
Yeah,
what's the capital of Maine?
Augusta?
Thank you. Paul,
Yeah.
what's that big swamp in Florida?
Okefenokee?
Thank you. I've done enough homework, Paul. Now I have to feed the dog.
I've been doing your homework. I'll feed the dog.
Gee, Paul.
Go on back now, like I said. Now, you just take it easy, little fella, and I'll give you your supper. Be good, too. See, these are Gaines burgers, and they're already measured for you. Just takes 2 to give your dog all the nourishment of a 1-pound can of the finest dog food. And what's just as amazing, they don't cost a penny more. Big dog, little dog. You know just how much to feed. So there's never any waste. You just put them down, they eat them up. Try them. Appreciate it. So will your dog.
I'm Fran Tarkenton of the New York Giants. Sometimes there's no place to hide. Make sure you don't try to hide behind a curtain of drugs.
ABC Sports brings you the action, pageantry, and thrills of collegiate football. The top teams from all sections of the country in the season's key games. NCAA football every week on ABC.
Follow this man every week, down this hall, into this phone booth. Under this phone booth? Well, wherever he goes, get smart. Get with Don Adams, the secret agent to end all secret agents. Follow this man every week, down this hall, into this phone booth. Under this phone booth? Well, wherever he goes, get smart.
A lonely ship streaks along an endless path. It's the mammoth starship Enterprise. Follow her trackless journey each week on Star Trek. William Shatner stars as Captain James Kirk, Starship Commander, and Leonard Nimoy stars as Science Officer Spock, half Earthling, half Vulcanian. There are hazards that beset the Enterprise and its crew on board ship and on alien planets. Don't miss Star Trek in color.
General Hospital, where every day a modern army fights one more battle in man's never-ending war against human suffering.
Steve, you can involve yourself in this girl's life if you want to, but...
You tried not to look shocked, but you were. You couldn't hide it.
You were wrong about me, Angie.
Was I?
You trying to teach me a lesson or something? Doc.
This is General Hospital, a powerful series bringing to daytime television the dramatic stories of those who offer comfort to the sick, but who find no immunity from personal heartache.
A few of the interns are having a get-together tonight, and I thought I ought to be there.
Oh, just, doctors.
What did you think, girls?
Watch General Hospital every weekday on ABC.
American Profile, Home Country, USA. Friday night on NBC.
Here comes Leonardo Lion, king of Bongo Congo, a hero line of iron. Where Leonardo travels, his subjects all go too.
There's Odio Coloni, who's loyal and true blue.
I say there's a booming hunter.
And Wiley Witty Fox.
And Hooter, who brings fun to you.
A business magic box. Good King Leonardo and his enemies.
Biggie with his pistols.
Saechi with his fleas.
They fought against the kingdom to overthrow the king. Looks like Leonardo has had his royal fling.
But Odio Coloni steps in to change the play.
That lion's gone, but skeleton's one come through to save the day. You'll find adventure and thrill, laughter a minute too. You mustn't miss excitement like this, or Hunter may hunt you. Let's watch Leonardo, all his subjects too. Odio Coloni, the fox and hunter too. Tutor and the wizard, they're ready, set to go. So everyone come join the fun on King Leonardo Show.
We're calling the hunter. A mighty suit is he.
Now, let me see now. According to my precise calculations, that way is north. So the U.S. of A. must be in this direction. Now, hold on. I can't dig through the earth. Why, the only thing I might reach this way is, water.
We're calling the hunter. Where can the hunter be?
Come on, Chumley. Let's get back for our next show.
What's it going to be about? I'll give you a little preview on 3D.
1, 2, 3. Time again for Tennessee, Tuxedo and his Tales. This portion presented by Tennessee and Chumley will be right back with more cartoon fun.
Don't you go.
There's more fireworks
in the rest of our show.
The first half was brought to you by
Tennessee Tuxedo. Though he may fail, as he buys for fame and glory, still he tries in each new story tale. That's Tennessee Tuxedo and his men.
Well, he needs to know what makes this whole world go. Mr. Answer Man will do all he can to rescue Tennessee. Come on and see Tennessee Tuxedo.
Tennessee Tuxedo.
Though he may fail, as he fights for fame and glory, still he tries in each new story tale. The Tennessee Tuxedo and his tale.
Daytime, nighttime, to get the right time, call Meridian 71212.
Hi, Jimmy. Why so glum?
No one's around.
Well, then, make some Kool-Aid. You make Kool-Aid and you make friends. Make friends with Kool-Aid. Make Kool-Aid with friends. Pre-sweetened Kool-Aid. Easy to make. No sugar to add, no sugar to spill. One package makes a big friendly pitcher full. Hey, Jimmy made so many friends, there's no Kool-Aid left for me. Make friends with Kool-Aid. Love fun that never ends. Oh, well, guess I'll make some Kool-Aid and we can make friends. Kool-Aid, pre-sweetened or regular.
Presenting the best baby Ruth ever made. You take a rich fudge center like the best cooks do.
For a Baby Ruth.
Cover with caramel so it's fun to chew.
On a Baby Ruth.
Keep on peanuts so it's crunchy, too. In a Baby Ruth, chocolatey flavor tops off the bar.
You got it made.
With a Baby Ruth candy bar. Baby Ruth. From Curtis.
Trapeze lovers, swing into a Cheerios breakfast. Cheerios are made from oats, the grain with the most protein and vitamin B1. Cheerios help build up muscles, or if you're not a moose, muscles. I mean, they get you go. No wonder big G and little O means go. Go! Go! With Cheerios! But watch where you're going. Hi, Pogo Stick fans. Bounce into a Cheerios breakfast. Tasty, toasty O's of oats, the grain with the most protein and vitamin B1. Cheerios make you grow, grow, grow. Give you go, go, go. Remember, big G, little O. Go with the goodness of Cheerios. But watch where you're going.
When you've got a job to do, reach for something good to chew. Chewing helps you stand the pace, anytime and any place. So, hi-ho, hey, hey, chew your little troubles away. Hi-ho, hey, hey, chew Wrigley Spearmint Gum. Work goes faster, smoother too. Life seems brighter when you chew. Hi-ho, hey, hey, chew Wrigley Spearmint Gum. It's good to sink your teeth into Wrigley's Spearmint Gum. That lively flavor freshens your mouth, and the good chewing helps make the job go smoother and faster. Enjoy chewing Wrigley's Spearmint Gum every day, as millions do. Hi-ho, hey, hey, chew your little troubles away. Hi-ho, hey, hey, chew Wrigley's Spearmint Gum.
All across the country, happy motoring dealers come to the Humble training schools to learn how to take better care of your car.
Oh, it isn't just the Tiger, it's the Tiger Team, your Enco Tiger Team.
Enco dealers learn that putting a Tiger in millions of tanks is just a small part of their job.
For your friendly Enco dealer is a Tiger too, when it comes to serving you.
They learn how to service every make and model of car on the road.
He'll put a Tiger in your tank.
And that's quite a Tiger. You keep using the new Enco Extra, it packs an extra punch, extra power, extra mileage.
Oh, it isn't just the Tiger, it's the Tiger Team, your Enco Tiger Team.
Now, the most exciting colors in color TV. Captured by Zenith in the biggest color picture Zenith has ever made. This is Zenith's new handcrafted 25-inch rectangular color TV. Its new sunshine color tube, shaped like a movie screen, has a new rare earth phosphor for greater picture brightness with redder reds, brighter greens, and more brilliant blues. A giant 25-inch picture, yet the tube is 4 inches shorter, fits a new beautifully slim cabinet. Inside, the famous Zenith handcrafted color chassis with no printed circuits, no production shortcuts. Built better for greater dependability and fewer service problems. It's the ultimate in color TV. Available with Zenith Space Command remote control tuning in the elegance of ultra-slim, fine furniture cabinetry. No wonder Zenith is America's largest selling TV. At Zenith, the quality goes in before the name goes on.